morning, Bumblebeesies. Happy Saturday. We got everyone here with us. We're at Disneyland. I'm so excited. And you guys, the trams are coming back on February 23rd. So the next time we come, the trams will be back. Who's excited for the trams? Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
My first time.
Woo. Oh yeah, Papa Bear has never rode the tram before. And it's gonna be really hot today, like 90 degrees. So we're all dressed for summer.
That's all I remember. Walking up to Disney.
Let's go. So instead of going this way to get through security, now they just have everyone going this way, like the regular way. We just went through security super fast. Now we're gonna head this way to where the trams would normally pick you up.
Yep.
Yeah, right? But we're still gonna walk because there's no trams today, but I'm excited for the trams to return. We made it in. Our first park of the day is DCA, which we thought our reservation was for Disneyland, so we were actually in line at Disneyland, and we got to the turnstile and she's like, oh, there's no park hopping until 1, and we're like, wait a minute, we just got here. So we're at the wrong park.
Filming today.
ESPN filming today. You want to watch that?
If you don't wish to appear, please avoid the area. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Lunar New Year. This is the last weekend for the Lunar New Year festival.
Stick with it. That's so dope.
I totally forgot to film our food, but we ended up getting breakfast burritos from that little Joffrey's coffee cart. It was a chorizo breakfast burrito, and it was really good. I just shared with Papa Bear, and then they each got their own. We're just gonna go over here and take some pictures. It's so nice and quiet here today. I don't know, I feel like maybe everyone's at Disneyland. Because all the events here start at 1.
But then Soarin is 85 minutes.
Yeah, that's true. Well, anyways, Soarin is 85 minutes. So we caved and bought the Lightning Lane again, the Genie Plus. Last time when we came, what was that, like 2 weeks ago? We came and we tested out the new Genie Plus Lightning Lane system, and we really like it. It's basically their new Fast Pass system. It's $20 per person per day, but that gets you on all the rides. And you can go on each ride once with that Fast Pass or the Lightning Lane. And then the other rides like Web Slingers, Radiator Springs Racers, and Rise Over the Resistance, those rides cost extra. So it's not included in the $20. But you could always do standby on those rides. What happened?
The little kid in the back.
Was he trying to be in the video?
Yeah,
I didn't
he waved
see.
high. I could see him.
Oh, I didn't see. So anyways, we're doing it again today because it's worth it. So our first ride of the day, our first ride is going to be Soarin', and we can already go on in 10 minutes. Just like that. Let's go. Judy. They have Judy Hopps right here. We are gonna go on the Little Mermaid, and our next, what do you call it? Our next Lightning Lane is going to be Guardians, but it's not until I think like 40 minutes. So we're just gonna go on Little Mermaid, kill some time.
Kids like their old man and Ursula took Ariel's boy and
this thing goes up and down multiple times.
You never forget.
Oh my gosh. That was so much fun. This ride is so cute. Did you like it, Papa?
Hey, Mambo.
Hey, Mambo. Mambo Italiano. Okay, now we're gonna head over to Guardians. We're having lunch at Award Wieners, and we got the bacon street dog. Is that what it's called?
Yep.
So we have three of those. Papa got the lava dog, which is, I think it's their special right now, is it? The seasonal offering, which is pulled pork and some kind of chutney on top, and he has chili cheese fries with his. We just got to Disneyland. Disneyland. My friend Lindsay is here today too, you guys, and we're gonna go meet up with her and Josh. It is crowded and hot. I did a little bit of shopping. I didn't get too many things. I'll show you guys later. But right now we're headed over to Haunted Mansion to meet up with my friends Lindsay and Josh. You guys might know them. I haven't seen them in a few years, so I'm excited to see them.
It's been a long time. I don't know what to say.
I got a bunch of Disney tattoos.
It's okay.
Hi, everybody.
Say hi to Lindsay! You guys remember Lindsay and Josh?
It's been so long.
They're talking Raiders talk.
You know it, Raider Nation.
They're both Raider Nation.
That's the definition right
Now
there.
he's gonna want one.
When are you gonna get one like
I'm gonna
that?
get one right here in my
That's
car.
it.
There? Okay, you should. Yeah, you should. That'll be
That's where I
nice.
always wanted to shoot a
Yeah,
man
that
on
would
my
be
cab.
sick.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
We're here for our anniversary,
to always
kid-free.
Yeah, they are kid-free today. Just the two of them. They can enjoy, do whatever they want. Get a drink. You guys are going to DCA right now, right?
Yes.
You can get another drink there.
And then like I was like,
No!
this area's like gotta be something.
Oh, oops.
You remember that one time in San Francisco?
Yeah.
I could not handle alcohol though.
I remember that. Well, it was nice seeing you.
This is my vlog.
Okay, bye. We are at the Hungry Bear and we're gonna try the red velvet funnel cake. It has, I think it has cream cheese frosting, right? Like this right here. And then strawberry, what do you call it? Strawberry ice cream. Did I record the funnel cake?
You did.
I think I forgot to record your slushie. We also tried the watermelon slushie. That one's pretty good. Anyways, now we're going on Winnie the Pooh. Hey guys, here we go.
Blustery day in a 100-acre wood. A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Hang on tightly, Will.
Happy Wednesday!
Rules of fairy stars. They come in ones and twos, but if they're so choosels, before your eyes you'll see them multiply.
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present.
Presents for Pooh. That was fun.
Presents for a whole.
We're getting on Haunted Mansion with our lightning lane. Yeah, you just go right here. Oh wait, it used to be this way. Now it's this way. All right, let's see how this goes. going, Papa?
I think it's Smugglers.
Yep, Smuggler's Run.
Smugglers Run.
First time. It's his first time on the ride, and we have a lightning lane. Let's get it. We are refilling our water bottles here at Galaxy's Edge. You can get free filtered water right here. Let's see, is it empty? Just have
Pretty
ice,
much.
a little bit of ice left.
Yeah, but it's just.
Welcome you in person, but work of a smuggler ain't a businessman is never done. I have many, many ships, and I have far too much cargo.
I'm Strawberry. What color are you sign?
Red.
Welcome to the Falcon Flight for Red. You guys can hang out on our main hole while you wait for your color. Just make sure everyone keeps their face coverings on.
Thank you.
Like for red?
Papa Bear and Vanessa are the pilots. AJ and I are the gunners.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
I actually don't.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was wrong. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out. And push to fly out. Weapons are on. Left pilot, changing instructions. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, yes, keep shooting.
Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Right. There you go.
Ah, there it is. After that plane. Gunners, hurry up. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Pilot brakes. Good work.
What a beautiful day. Now the weather is perfect. But we're so tired now. The heat really drained us, huh?
That was a good sun.
Yeah. It was a good sun. I had to put sunblock 3 times today. Well, you guys don't burn easily as me.
Sorry.
It's okay. Does anybody need to use the restroom before we leave? Well, there's one at the garage actually. I might use that before we leave. You want ice cream? Okay guys, that's it. Our day at Disneyland is done. We had a very good day.
Shout out to the couple that got married.
Oh
though.
yeah,
Really.
that was so cute.
Blessings.
That was so cute.
This is our last walk too.
This is gonna be our last walk to the parking garage because the next time we come, there's gonna be trams.
Tram time.
I'm so excited for the trams. We will be back on March 12th, I think.
We deserve the tram.
Hello everybody, it is me Steven coming to you live with a special announcement. Oh wait. You want to hear the special announcement? Well, here you go. Tomorrow I will be performing at the Super Bowl halftime show. So catch me there tomorrow because I will be doing a big performance. You won't want to miss it. So stay tuned. Super Bowl. Woo! Super Bowl Steven Sunday. I'm going to be performing at the halftime.
Woo! What can fans be expecting from you at your halftime performance?
Everything.
Really?
A great dancing performance, singing performance, acting performance, modeling performance.
Wow, this is really going to be big.
It's going to be big for my career. I'm so excited. Truly beyondly excited.
Wow, well, I'll have to catch you at the
You'll
Super
have
Bowl.
to see me tomorrow. I'm having to leave very early tomorrow.
Wow.
Wait, where is the Super Bowl again?
It's in LA?
Oh,
Yeah, it's not too
I
far.
won't have to leave that early then.
Oh, okay.
But you know, I have to get sound check, my rehearsal, my outfits.
Wow.
All of the above.
Well, then I'll be tuning in. Bye.
Okay, bye.
See you tomorrow, I
See you
guess.
tomorrow.
Yep.
Can't wait.
Big day.